Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today we will see difference between where, let and const in JavaScript. So let's dive in. In JavaScript, it's important to declare variables within a specific scope so that we can keep our code clear and maintainable. And for that we are using where keyword since very long time. But in June 2015, the 6th version of ECMAScript launched and it was the biggest transition of JavaScript, that is ES 2015 or ES6. Let and const keywords are introduced in this version, and where was already there in earlier JavaScripts. All these three are used for variable declarations. Now you might have confusion that if we already have where keyword for variable declaration, then why ES6 introduced other two keywords for same functionalities? Let's check the difference here. Let's check the behavior of where keyword first. Where declarations are globally scoped or block scope. Scope means where these variables are available for use. When a where variable is declared outside a function, it is globally scoped, which is available for use in the whole window. And where is function scope when it is declared within a function. That means it can be accessible within that function only. Let's check these things practically. Here, A is globally scoped because it exists outside a function, while B is function scope. So we cannot access the variable B outside of a function. Here we will get an error because B variable is not available outside the function. Variables declared with where can be redeclared and updated. That means we can do this thing within the same scope and we will not get any error. Here A is redeclared and it's not giving any error. And here A is declared first and then updated. It is also working and not giving any error. In this function we have declared A outside of function and inside it too. Inside the function, value of A will be inside and outside the function it will be outside. Now what happens without where in foo? A outside the function was overwritten by A inside the function because we didn't declare the inside foo. We just updated the value of A there. Now let's check the behavior of let keyword here. Let comes with improvement to the where declarations. That's why let is preferred for variable declarations nowadays. It also solves the problem that was there with where declarations. Let is block scoped. A block is chunk of code bounded by parentheses. So a block lies in this parenthesis, that means curly braces. Anything within this curly braces is a block. So a variable declared inside a block with let is only available for use within that block. So specific scope means less errors and improved readability. Let's check these things practically. Here A was assigned to 1 in the if block. That assignment was local to that block so that global A was still 0. The if block scope was separate from the global scope. And here we can see that using B outside its block returns an error. This is because let variables are block scoped. So that we can say that let can be updated but not redeclared. So this will work as a variable is just updated within its scope. But this will return an error as we are trying to redeclare the same within its scope. However, if the same variable is defined in different scopes, there will be no error. We can see here that there is no error here. This is because both instances are treated as different variables since they have different scopes. This behavior of let makes it a better choice than where. Let's check the behavior of const. keywords now. Variables declared with the const maintain constant values. Const declarations are blocks code. Const restricts overwriting of variables. Every const declarations must be initialized with declarations. Const behavior is somehow different when it comes to objects declared with const. While a const object cannot be updated, but the properties of this object can be updated. So const should be default choice over let if your variable is immutable. In this example, we can see that const doesn't let you declare a variable without assigning its value, and it also doesn't allow assignment to that variable. Like let declarations, const declarations can only be accessed within the block that it was declared. Const cannot be updated or redeclared. That means variable declared with const remain the same within its scope. It cannot be updated or redeclared. So if we declare a variable with const, we can neither do like this and nor like this. So these are the behavior of let, where and const in JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed this video and liked my approach. If so, you can subscribe and follow me on YouTube and share it to others. Thanks for watching.